Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to zoom an image using HTML and CSS. This is what the output. When we tap on the image with the cursor, then the image will be zoomed. This is what the output of the cursor, output of this video. In the previous video, I have already implemented how to scroll the images. If you want that video, I will put the link in the description. Please check it out. Now let's go to the code. This is what the code of the output. In this here I have taken first a main div tag. Inside that main div tag, I have taken another div tag of gallery wrap. Inside that, I have taken another div tag of gallery gallery div tag, and inside that gallery div tag I have taken two div tags for images. This is what the images. After that, I have uh, this is what the index.html file. I have linked the index.html file with css file. After that, I have just I don't want any margins and padding, so I have implemented margin padding as 0 and box sizing border box, and I have used background color of the body as a white, so it is white. And dot gallery dot gallery is what is the part. It is the part where it is in the center of the if you see the output, it is in the middle. It is showing background color yellow. Now it is the dot gallery section. Mm, I have make it as yellow color, and it is just scrolling the images. Now for implementing that, I used the scroll. Mm, if you want the video, the I will paste the link in the description. About the scroll bar, I have already said that in previous video. This is what the it is related to the images that are placed side by side. It is also explained in previous video. Mm, these are about the image. A single image that is present in it. I have mentioned height and width as 100% and border radius to get cursive images. And I used filter as a grayscale 100%. Means whenever I am tapping cursor on the image, then it will get as a colorful image. This is what the meaning of the filter grayscale is to 100. Transition transform is zero point 0.5 seconds. Means whenever I tapped on the cursor on the image, then it will transform in zero point 0.5 seconds. In 5 seconds. Transform up to 5 seconds. This is what the meaning of those two. Mm, this is what about the scroll bar. And also coming to I imported the images of colorful images, and those colorful images I just make them into black images using this transition. Mm. Dot gallery div image hover. I have used hover for images as a filter here 0%. I have in the above I have make it as 100%. Means it should be colorful when I am tap on the image. Here grayscale is 0%. Means the image is 0% when the image is simply seated. Mm. Cursor pointer and transform scale. This is what the zooming percentage. It zoom up to 1.2 zooming size. This is what the zooming size of image. Thank you guys. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.